Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're delving into a topic that's as enchanting as it is beneficial. The power of herbal teas. Get ready to join us on a journey through the soothing world of herbal infusions, as we explore their unique healing properties and the potential health wonders they hold. Let's dive right in. Unveiling the world of herbal teas. Herbal teas, often referred to as tisanes, have been cherished for centuries across cultures for their potential healing abilities. These brews, crafted from a delightful array of plants, flowers, and herbs, offer a gentle and natural way to support various aspects of our well-being. Discovering healing properties. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the remarkable healing properties of different herbal teas and their potential health benefits. Chamomile comfort. Experience the soothing embrace of chamomile tea. Known for its calming effects that may help with anxiety and sleeplessness. Mighty peppermint. Meet peppermint tea, a digestive champion that can alleviate bloating, indigestion, and even headaches. Echinacea immunity. Explore the potential immune-boosting properties of echinacea tea, which some believe could help fend off colds and infections. Lavender relaxation. Indulge in the relaxing aroma of lavender tea, thought to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Ginger vitality. Discover the zingy kick of ginger tea, often used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and provide a warming sensation. Brewing the magic. But how do we unlock these magical properties? Brewing herbal teas is an art in itself. Here's how to brew the perfect cup of healing goodness. Selection and quality. Start with high-quality dried herbs or fresh ones for the most potent flavors and benefits. Water temperature. Different herbs require different water temperatures. Steep them just right to coax out their full potential. Steeping time. Let your herbs steep for the recommended time. This allows the flavors and healing compounds to infuse. Embracing holistic wellness. Herbal teas are not just about sipping, they're about embracing holistic wellness. By incorporating these brews into your routine, you're nurturing your body and soul in a truly natural way. A tea for every need. Whether you're seeking relaxation, an immune boost, or digestive relief, there's an herbal tea to cater to your specific needs. Explore the world of flavors while addressing your well-being. As we wrap up our exploration of the power of herbal teas, remember that nature has bestowed upon us a remarkable gift. These teas offer us not only a delightful sensory experience, but also the potential to support our health journey. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, sip on these herbal elixirs and let their healing embrace wash over you. Stay well.